welcome to Anos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add customers and items. Customers are the people or businesses you invoice, quote, or send statements to. Items are the products, services, stock, or rental items you use when creating quotes and invoices. Let's get started. From the dashboard, go to Customers. This is where you keep all your customer records in one place. You can use customers when creating quotes, invoices, statements, and payment records. To add a new customer, click New Customer. Enter the customer name, email address, phone number, and billing details. If the customer is a company, you can also add their business information, VAT number, and address. These details help Anos prepare cleaner documents like quotes, invoices, and statements. Once the details are complete, save the customer. You can come back later to edit the customer, view related documents, or use this customer when creating a quote or invoice. Next, go to Items. Items are what you sell, rent out, or charge for. They can be services, stock items, rental items, or operational items, depending on how your business works. Before adding many items, it helps to organize them into categories. For example, a business can use categories like sound, lighting, services, labor, or equipment. Categories make your item list cleaner and easier to manage. Let's add a service item. A service item can be something like setup labor, delivery, consulting, or technical support. Choose the correct type, enter the name, price, VAT percentage, and save. Once your customers and items are added, creating documents becomes much faster. When you create a quote or invoice, you can choose the customer, select the items, and Anos will help calculate totals and VAT. You now know how to add customers, item categories, stock or service items, and operational quantities in Anos. In the next tutorial, we'll look at creating quotes.